Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all is well. Yes, today's channel we are going to be looking at yet another Google application, and in this particular case we are looking at Google Maps. So we said the simplest way to access these applications is opening your Chrome browser. You come to your top right corner, you click on the 9 dots forming a square, and then you look for the application you're interested in. But in this case we want Google Maps. So Google Maps is an application of Google that can help us navigate and reach different destinations without having difficulties. Yes, have you been there and you're having trouble reaching a certain place, and you keep on asking for directions, keep on stopping unknown people, asking them for directions? But today we are here to make a difference in your life. So Google Maps is basically this an application that is going to be able to assist us with navigating through at different places on the globe. We can be able to access different points. Do you want a restaurant near you? Do you want a hotel? Do you want a museum? Anything. Do you want a pharmacy? Yes, anything around you that you're interested in allocating, Google Maps can give you directions. So what you do, you come in the search bar, and then you type in whatever location you want to reach. Then let me say I'm interested in reaching Masaki Lounge. Maybe I want to go to Masaki Lounge. So you type in Masaki Lounge and then you press search. Then you give it some time to load. Then it should be able to show you where Masaki Lounge is. So you can see this location icon is showing you where Masaki Lounge is. Now to get there, what you do, you're going to ask Google Maps to give you directions to this place. So you come here and tap on directions. You give it some time to load. You tap on directions. Now it is asking for your starting point. Where is your starting point? Let me say I'm starting from Gulu University. Gulu University School of Medicine. That is okay. And we are going to Masaki Lounge. So this is the starting point, and here we have a sort of a key. So the starting point where we are beginning from is indicated by a circle, and then where we are heading to is having a location point kind of thing, just like that. So basing on how you want to reach there, we also have a couple of options. Are you using a motor vehicle? Are you using a bike? Or are you going to foot there? So it is able to give you the fastest route depending on how you want to reach there. Maybe I'm reaching there by I'm using a car. So you can click on the car and then you give it some time to load, and it should be able to generate for you the fastest route to your destination within the shortest time possible. So we can see that we have generated a pinpoint between between Masaki Lounge and then my starting point. So when I try to zoom in, you can see that my starting point is around Gulu University. Yes, that is our starting point, around Gulu University. So it is showing us how you can navigate, and then you get all across away to Masaki Lounge, just like that. So Google Maps makes life quite very easy. So we can see that from here we can clearly see that our route has been generated from Gulu University right away to Masaki Lounge. So that is basically Google Maps, and then you can be able to access different restaurants around you. Maybe I'm looking for restaurants around me. They can be able to generate for you different routes, different available restaurants, the time of closure, the time of opening. So we have a couple of restaurants here. From the results, we have Rahim Chef's Foods, so we can tap on this restaurant, and then we have an overview. We have some pictures right there, and then they're telling you it is open 24 hours. There's even a contact that you can use to get in touch with maybe the staff, and then the menus. So Google Maps is quite an interesting app. So we can ask for directions as well to this particular place, Rahim Chef's Foods. Then maybe we are starting from Green Park Hostel. Maybe I'm coming from Green Park. Hostel. Green Park Hostel. And you're going to Rahim Chef's Food. So they should be able to pinpoint a route, the fastest route between your Green Park Hostel. As you can see, we have Green Park Hostel right there, and then we have the fastest route to Rahim Chef's Food restaurant right there. So basically that is it for Google Maps. It helps us navigate different points of destination in the fastest way possible. And then in certain cases, Google Maps can also indicate different routes that have a traffic jam, so that you can avoid those routes, and then it can also help you generate or find the best route with less traffic, so that you can reach your required destination in the shortest time possible. So another thing with Google Maps, you can share your live location with your friends, so that they can be able to reach you without having any difficulties. So to do that, you're going to toggle this bar right here, and then you look for location sharing. So you tap on location sharing, and then here we have share your real-time location with friends and family. So you're going to use the app. So you click on that, and then it can be a send. So here they're telling you send to your phone. So because you're using a PC, the Google Maps is prompting us to send the live location on your phone, so that you can be able to send it to your colleagues or your friends that are in pursuit of you. Yes, so you can come and select your phone, or maybe you can email it, and then you will be able to access it. And that is basically it for Google Maps. So do not be stuck anywhere. In case you need a restaurant, in case you need a hotel, in case you need luxurious places, just go to Google Maps, and then you look for anything of interest, and rest assured you'll be able to get it in the shortest time possible. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment.